Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you as seen on screen how to use the AR filters or of course the face filters on TikTok. Alright, so stay tuned for this tutorial. Alright guys, of course when you're going to use the face filters on TikTok, first of all find the TikTok application. You can go ahead and launch, and of course once you have launched, alright, so once you're here on the main screen of TikTok, go ahead and hit the plus icon here. That's towards the center of the screen. So you're going to hit the plus. Alright, so once you're here guys, go ahead and you can record at any time. I'm going to stop this. And of course you can, before you're ready, when you're ready you can actually record and of course hit the checkbox to upload. But of course I don't want to upload this, so I'm going to close this out. And it says discard, so at any time you can hit the center one here to record and of course upload when you're ready. You can also pull stuff from your gallery that has been previously recorded. You can choose between the time frame 15 and 60 seconds, but of course what you're interested in is the effects, so go ahead and tap on effects. Once you hit on the effects guys, you'll find all the cool effects right here, so you can go ahead and sort by new. You can go into interactive and so on. There's a ton of these guys, and what I like about these is that they're AR based, so you can go ahead and choose here, search for a AR face. This is similar to the feature on Instagram. This is the one I was using earlier. Go ahead and tap, and there you go. Once you do that guys, what's gonna happen is that you do get the effect. You can click outside and then your face will change according to the effect. You can search and try to find your favorite ones. You can use this to enhance your videos. Next, the other one that you can actually use, let me show you another one that I like. You can also have them in various genders. You can exit as well. Notice once I'm moving my head, you do get that cool effect there. All right, so that's a cool one as well. And of course guys, once you're ready, you can go ahead and hit record as I'm doing here. Notice when I'm finished I can stop. I can use the X to discard as I was showing you earlier, or I can check mark to start editing for upload. But of course I'm going to close this one out here. I'm going to discard this since I do not need it. And of course that's how you use the AR or the face filters effect. Alright guys, so this is another AR filter that's not using the front camera. This one actually overlays this cool AR base character into your background. So check it out guys. It's under trending. Scroll down, it's this green one right here. 2 fingers to rotate, so you can check this out for yourself. So very cool AR base character. Very cool AR base character. You can move it around. Like this one very much, where you can scale up and down according to size. You can double or with both fingers to turn and rotate. Very cool AR character. Alright guys, we got a guy from Blog Tech Tips, and a quick tip showing you how to do this on your device. Bye guys.